Meow.
Hi, this is Corrine from Captain America Projects. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Here's the desk that I ended up painting. It's a cute little child's school desk, so I thought that would be really fun to dress up. I ended up painting the body of it white, and then on the desk portion, or the writing portion of the desk, I put on some chalkboard paint in a square, and then I labeled it Notes. So here I am painting the body of the desk. I have a quirk where I have to paint the entire item that I'm painting because I figure if somebody turns it over and if it's not all the way painted, it looks a little junky. So I ended up painting the entire body of it. So there I am finishing it up. I just used a regular latex house paint. And there's the body of it all painted white. I outlined where I wanted to put the chalkboard paint and then just filled it in. The chalkboard paint dries really quickly, so it's easy to put on a couple coats. So 2 or 3 coats worth, and then it'll dry really quickly and you'll be able to write on it in no time. And then I used the tiny lettering on the stencil, and instead of dabbing paint through the stencil, I just wrote with the pencil. I just outlined it and then filled it in with a tiny paintbrush. So there I am just outlining the stencil with the pencil first. And then I took a tiny paintbrush, and with the paint, to get a thin line with the rounded tips, I just push the paint out to the end instead of pulling it like you regularly do with a brush. So just kind of push out the paint, and then it'll make a nice rounded end, a nice thin line, so that you can have whatever message you want on your desk. There it is, all painted. I painted the inside of the desk the same black chalk paint, and we sold it for $40. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Thank you for watching.